In this tutorial, we show you how to use AudioDirector to remove background noise from your videos. Import your video into AudioDirector and select the Restore tab at the top. On the left of the panel, you are presented with 4 adjustment options: Visual Repair, Noise Reduction, Clip Restoration, and Click Removal. Before clicking the Noise Reduction tab, you need to define if you apply the restoration to the whole video or just to a specific part. You can see that the noisy part has been outlined with a red starting line and a yellow ending line. Let's click the Noise Removal tool. The Noise Removal pop-up window will appear. You first need to analyze the audio data to generate a noise profile. Click Analyze. AudioDirector analyzes your audio in a snap and displays a specific blue noise waveform in the decibels hertz chart. You can now adjust the sensitivity and noise reduction level sliders. Both sensitivity and noise reduction sliders control how much audio will be filtered, but in different ways. The sensitivity slider controls what will be filtered, while the reduction slider controls how much will be filtered. You can now preview the original audio and restored result at the bottom. When you're satisfied, click Next. You now need to select which range of audio you want to apply the noise reduction to: Analyzed range only, entire audio content, or select a different range. Let's select Analyzed range only. You can further adjust the sensitivity and noise reduction level sliders. Before applying all your noise removal settings, you can preview again. Finally, when you're completely satisfied, click Apply. You can now enjoy your new video with a more professional sounding audio track.